Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine Kaur and I welcome you all on my channel Impresso. And in today's video, as you guys have already gone through the title, yes, in the first part I'm going to show you what all I purchased in the month of March, and in the second part I'm going to show you how I prepared my favorite mushroom tikkas. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just dive right into this video. Especially in this video, there is nothing going to be related to makeup. Everything is going to fall under skincare, hair care, or bit of a stationery. Let's first start up with the apparels, and this one have to include t-shirts. And yes, for that I have bought 3 t-shirts. All of them are very cool, easy and breezy. They are very comfortable to wear in summer season. First one is this. This is having geometrical faces over the t-shirt. This is made up of cotton, breathable fabric. This one is crop in length, but yeah, this will look really nice. Second comes to me is this one is also crop t-shirt having cute little kitty print all over it in a patchwork, and this one is also very breathable in fabric and also very wearable during summers. I can't wait to style this one. And in the tees section, last but not the least, comes to my hand is this one. This one is mauvish in color. It's written over here awesome, and so the t-shirt is very awesome. One is a bit long and it will look great. And last in apparel section is this cute little dress. This one is midi dress, bodycon dress. This looks appealing and this is so chic and polished with right amount of accessory. This is gonna look amazing. Last but not the least in the apparel section is one suit. Yes, I am big huge fan of suits. I'm not gonna show you by wearing this one because yeah, for some certain reason, whenever I style this suit, I'm definitely gonna let you know. It is having a tassel around thing over the front neck area. It is having a mixture of gold and silver accents. Sequin is not there, but there is a little bit of mirror work over the neck area. All over, look at the color. Color is so appealing that it would look great on every skin tone. Also, the suits are very elegant to wear. There is no special occasion to wear a suit. There is no special reason required for me to wear a suit. I am a suit girl. I just love to wear suits, and this is how it's a normal salwar. It is also having a detailing of this gota patti going over here. This one is also having golden color, and they have bordered it with the same fabric as of the kameez, and it comes with this dupatta. This is cotton dupatta having golden accents going over it, having cute little tassels which are very hard to maintain. For me, this suit is really having a piece of my heart. I can't keep calm to wear this one. So definitely gonna wear this one, and I'm gonna post the picture with wearing this suit over my Instagram so you can follow me. So that was pretty much all for the apparel section. Now comes to hair care or skincare section. I have got my hands on this Jovi sunscreen, zinc shield sunscreen with SPF 60 PA triple plus. First of all guys, it costed me for around 370 rupees. Sunscreens are usually very costly, but they are mandatory to wear while going outside or whether you are staying at home. So that's why I purchased this one. But this one does feel very greasy and leaves a white cast over my skin. That's why I discarded this one for my facial use. But now that I have purchased this one, so I have to utilize it some or the other way. So that's why what I do is I just take a pump of it like so and rub it on over my hands and apply it over my arms, just to protect my arms from getting tanned. Next thing which I purchased in the month of March is this. This one is definitely a hair care product. Since I am planning to get my hair color done, before that I am taking immense care of my hair, so that's why I invested in the professional suggested product. This one is Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight with shea butter. This one is having the MRP of 825 rupees, but I I purchased this one for 720 rupees with the quantity of 490 grams. Now here it comes about the stationery. First of all, here it comes my Captain America pen. This pen is really cute. This is very smooth, soft. I've purchased it from a nearby local store, and this one is really cute. I call it mere shakalaka boom boom pen. And this one is journal, which I purchased from Simba Lifestyle, which is the brand of Mridul Sharma. Helped me to keep track of my whole day, my whole routine, even my habits. And also it comes with the freebies as well, like 2 pages of stickers and this one cute little notebook. That was pretty much about the haul, what all I purchased in the March month. So yeah, let's now move on to second part. Hey, I hope you are enjoying my video till here, and if you do, then please drop a blue heart. And now we're gonna prepare mushroom tikka, and for mushroom tikka we need, yes, of course, button mushrooms, capsicum, onion and few spices. By the way, I'm gonna show you in the clipping, but yes, these are the major ingredients which you require. So yeah, without any further blabbering, let's just dive right into this recipe. First and foremost is butter mushrooms. So these are the butter mushrooms. You can get it from the street vendors or the vegetable basic vendors. I have bought these from Sabzi Mandi, and these are almost 2 big capsicum thickly chopped, and after that 2 large thickly chopped onion. So these are the basic requirements for the marination. I'm gonna take curd. वैसे तो हमें हंकर चाहिए होता है, but here I'm making use of this वेरका दही, butter, and we're gonna take mustard oil. I am using Ashirwad. You can use whatever you want to, and this is going to add kick to our marination of spices like salt, Kashmiri red chili and red chili. A star ingredient which is achar masala. Now after the mustard oil, we're gonna add, this is roasted gram flour, which is also known as besan, into the mixing bowl. After this, I'm gonna pouring all the spices like paprika and salt. So here it goes, tandoori masala, which is the star ingredient. You can pour as much as you want. Here I am taking a spoonful of, more than a spoon. You can add more randomly. This is not a perfect recipe. I'm not a chef, by the way. This gram flour we have added just for the binding purpose, ताकि जो मसाला है ना वो mushrooms को और इन सब चीज़ों को अच्छे से bind कर ले. Pour in some ginger garlic paste. This is from the company called Smith & Jones, and this is the best out there in the market. So yes, here I have added the whole packet. By the way, masala banane ke baad I'm gonna take this masala to my mama in order to check the salt, because she is the best in salt calculation. मेरे को तो आती है नहीं. And here it goes, achar marination. Just mix it well. Now take this verka dahi. Now I have put on gloves, firstly for hygiene purpose and secondly for our nails. So let's just dig into this. After preparing the marination, I initiated the process of marinating whole stuff. Firstly, what I did is I coated veggies with that tandoori paste, and then I marinated mushrooms. After marinating both of them, I kept them aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I turned on my electric tandoor, and yes, I consciously kept only upper rod turned on to give it more sort of a tandoori effect, because tandoor में भी सिर्फ और सिर्फ heat से ही खाना पकता है. So in order to give that hint of that real tandoor, I did so. Now. After keeping them at a rest for exact 30 minutes, I started poking them into the skewers. And the order went like this. Pehle capsicum, and then onion, and then mushroom. And this went on for like 2 batches. And this right here, I am preparing my first batch. And this took me around like 8 to 10 minutes in order to put all the veggies into the skewers. And yes, that was for the first batch only, and second batch also took the same amount of time, but it was like quite relieving, and I really enjoyed the process, because cooking for me is very therapeutic activity. It would be great if you guys can share, like, what do you do when you feel irritated, anxious, or just not yourself. In that scenario, what you guys do as a therapy, because reading or cooking food is something which I really found therapeutic. So tell me, what do you do as a therapy for yourself? It's time to put all those prepared tikkas into the tandoor, and it took around 8 to 10 minutes to cook. Simultaneously, what I did is I prepared gravy by adding mustard oil and gram flour to it, and I roasted both of them till I got the fine rich aroma of that gram flour. And then I followed that up by adding Kashmiri red chili for the color and spicy red chili for the spiciness, and again sauteed it really well on the simmered flame. Then I poured dahi, yogurt or curd, whatever you want to call it, and stirred it really well. And last but not the least, I added a tablespoonful of tandoori masala. Once all it boils up, it's ready, and you don't need to add water as of this moment right now. You can add it later on if the gravy gets thick. A ready gravy looks like this, and ready mushroom looks like this. They are roasted, burnt, tangy, and rich in flavors. Okay. It's time for the taste test, and here's my first batch of barbecued. Now it's time to roast the second batch of mushrooms. All of a sudden, guys, I ran out of memory of my camera, so I need to buy more SD cards right now. So meanwhile, catching from the middle of the story, that is my second batch of mushroom is roasted and ready. Keeping that aside, I just microwaved my rumali rotis because wahi khane wale hain hum with this one, and till the time it gets warm, I de-skewed all the tikkas into the gravy. Apologize for the blurry screen right now, but that is due to the steam or the smoke. Now it's time to do the taste test. Amazing. I have no words. It is just amazing. It is the best ever I have ever tried. Do try it at home. If you do now, then do tag me over the Instagram or comment down on your WhatsApp. Okay, till then, bye bye.